My name is Jeremy Kidd. I'm the children's pastor here at Harbor Covenant North Campus, and I wanted to make this quick little video to show you guys how you can use our virtual North Campus Hub Facebook page. Some of you may have already figured it out, but I want to make extra sure that you guys know how to use it so that as I am posting things, I can make sure that you guys know how to access them and we can interact as much as possible. This is the virtual North Campus Hub Facebook page, and I am just really excited about this because it does this thing that is called communal learning. And as you can see here, if you're on the page, the first thing you want to do is go to Units. You might be dropped into the Discussion tab if you just open it up. And the Discussion tab is just like a normal Facebook page. It will just show you everything on the page in the order that it was posted. But the Units is unique to this page compared to our other pages, and this is where we are going to be able to post actually some pretty unique content, because we can post it in sort of sections organized by topic. So you can see here we've got one on our Christian formation series. We've got our second session there already recorded, so if I click on that, it takes me right to this Zoom meeting link, and this is where we actually did the live meeting, but we also have recorded that second session, and that should be coming up for you guys shortly. When you come over to the Units tab here, though, you can see that you can scroll through everything that we have on this page, and it's organized by type. And if you scroll all the way down here, I'm going to point out in particular that there's the Children's Ministry tab for March 2020. Each month, I will try to have a tab like this in this page with any content relevant to children's ministry for parents or for kids. Sometimes I'll post a video like this that's specifically for parents. Sometimes it'll be specifically for kids, and sometimes it'll be for everyone. And I will try to specify in the title what kind of video it is and what audience it's for. So today I just want to show you, here's Sunday, March 22nd. That's our most recent Sunday. You can see the check mark there because I have marked it as done. So in each little section, there'll be a little done thing that you can mark once you've interacted with it. Just go ahead and progress toward finishing all of the sort of modules within the unit. It says 3 of 3 posts completed. That's what that means. So here on this page, you saw that I left a link. I said a few things about what the link was for. It was our Sunday morning Orange curriculum stuff. And then when you click on that link, it's going to take you over to the Vimeo page where Orange has presentations for preschool, for lower elementary, and for upper elementary students. So that's the sort of things that you'll be able to find on this page. And in the future, you'll also be able to find videos with me, interacting with you guys. Most of the time those are going to be pre-recorded, but sometimes I may also do a live video or something and try and organize it into this tab. So that is how you can use our virtual North Campus Hub page. And if you're not finding something you're looking for in the units, for example, on Sunday mornings, our sermons are live videos. And live videos, we at least so far have not figured out how to organize those into units. So instead of going to the Units tab, where you probably won't be able to find the Sunday services, you'll find the digital bulletin and the scripture insert in the Sunday service units. But you'll have to go over to the discussion, and that's where you'll find live videos, such as our sermon from this last week on the 22nd and our sermon from the 15th. So if you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I would love to talk to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.